Okay, start.
Sister, I want some money. Can you give me?
Why?
Because my class 10 registration is going to be happening at about 12:30 p.m. So I want some money.
I don't have money.
Why, sister? I have to give 3,000 rupee for my registration, and if I fail to pay that money, my registration will not be happening.
You don't say last day.
No, I forgot it because last day there was my match and I was very tired, and when I return home, I go to bed for sleep.
Suddenly you say me for your money. How I arrange this money?
Sorry.
Because I don't have money.
Sorry, sister, I forgot that. I promise you this kind of thing will not be happening further. Please give me money to me.
You know that many responsibility I have. You don't know that father don't work and he was very ill, and I purchased his medicine and our home foods and rice and grocery.
Yes, sister, I know that you have too many responsibility, but it is very urgent. If it not be very urgent, I don't ask you. It is very urgent, and I will not be allowed to sit in exam hall if I fail to pay money today.
You arrange money, do any work.
How can I arrange money, sister, in these days? You can see that there are very crisis of money. Who will give me money?
When I am your age, I took many responsibility, and many times you playing cricket, and you gossip your friends, and many times you spend your mobile phone.
I only spend my some time at about 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. In the football ground. So it is just a few times. How can you tell that I am wasting time? I have to be prepared for my examination, because if I took a lower grade, you will blame me for that. So what can I do?
Many times you spend your time on mobile and you don't read properly, and why you said you lower grade? Because you don't read many times.
I have a good brain, sister. I can, but give me money. If you don't give me money, I cannot allow. I will not be allowed for to sit in the exam hall.
Okay, you go into your school at 12 p.m. and now you do some work in near shop, our house.
If I do work at that time I will very tired. So then how can I go? And our school is not too much close from our house. I have to go about a very much distance I have to cover. So how can I do?
You go your school by bus, and now you do work some for your money.
That will also require money. So how can I take bus? Please give me money. So I promise you that I will take responsibility from tomorrow. But today, please give me money.
Okay, you remember that money is very important in our life, and you have serious in your future and in your study and in your life, because our father don't have any work, and our mother is a housekeeper, and the whole family's responsibility in my head. Please, you should remember this, and next day you will go and you do work this shop.
Yes, from the next day I will take the responsibility, and I know that our mother is a homemaker. So sorry, I promise that this will not happen from the next day.
Okay. Today I give you your registration fee.
Yes, that is 3,000.
Okay, very nice.